Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flikabrains. If you're a new viewer on this channel and you're interested in learning everything regarding Google Adsense loading, be it website loading or YouTube loading, I teach everything here. And I also share some tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. You can just go over here and subscribe if you want to get more of this content. Okay, so by the way, I'm going to be showing you guys an account I normally work on and what we have done so far on this account this month. So for many of you that have been on this page for a while, you guys will notice that this is an account I normally post on this channel. I frequently post this particular account for a while on this channel, and you can see what we have done so far on this account. You can see this month we have loaded roughly $33,000 on the account, and you can see what was received last payment, which was on the 21st. This was what was received on this account. We worked on this account last month. Okay, so you can see what we have done so far today. So far you can see what we have done on the account, and we are still pushing in more traffic as I speak. You can see my CPC, you can see everything is going. This is fully automation process. Everything is fully automated, no self-clicking, nothing self-clicking. All these are bots working on this account, sending this traffic. You can see all of them. The traffic coming in here are fully automated method. So I teach different strategies on how to grow your AdSense account and load it without having any issues. And currently we have a strong update, which if you make use of this update on your account, you work on the account smoothly without facing any issues. Okay, so this method now specially works for accounts that have received payments. For accounts that are new, if you have a new AdSense account and you want to work on the AdSense account with this method, you will need to have a little bit of traffic coming in, maybe a little bit of paid traffic coming in on your site before you use this method on your site. But for those that have received payment previously on the account, you can work on this without having any issues, and it is going to go smoothly for you. Okay, so regardless, if you want to learn this loading method, you can check out the description box below. You're going to see my contact info. You can reach out to me and I will show you the strategy I use in making this kind of revenue. Safe loading to everybody, guys, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.